lateral to the tibia, you have your tibialis anterior. And further lateral, gamay ng muscle dali nakita. But you have this tendon here, you have extensor hallucis longus. And further lateral, you have extensor digitorum longus. Further lateral, kani siyang muscle belly, niya ang yung tendon. You have your peroneus tertius. On the lateral side, you have this long muscle, so you have your peroneus longus. Then this one below, you have your peroneus brevis. Posterior. Okay, posterior. So you have here your gastrocnemius. So this one now be your lateral head, medial head. Underneath you have your soleus. So soleus niya, kani soleus niya underneath niya siya. Soleus gapon niya siya underneath. Okay. So we're going to remove this one. Okay, first this one, you have your kaninang oblique. You have your popliteus muscle. Then kaning gamay, you have your plantaris. Okay, then further sa imong posterior sa imong leg. So medially, you have your flexor digitorum longus. And here you have your flexor hallucis longus. Between the two, you have this muscle, you have your tibialis posterior. So if we're going to look at again the arrangement behind the medial malleolus, so most medial you have your tibialis posterior, dick, flexor digitorum longus, hari, lateral, flexor hallucis longus na tendon. Okay. And next, dorsum sa inyong foot. So those, if we're going to look at it ha, those nag-oblique, ano siya, nag-oblique, nag-anana sa imong lateral toes, those are your extensor digitorum brevis. Yan pa, doon sa big toe is your extensor hallucis brevis. Pa. If we're going to look at there, napag-yapig laing muscle there. Kani siya, kani. Those muscles that are found in between sa metatarsal. And it's the dorsal muscle. Those are your dorsal interosseous muscle. Here, your dorsal interosseous muscle. Now, okay, so next here, under plantar surface of foot. So this one, this would now be your plantar aponeurosis. Party naputol na siya. So this one, you have your flexor digitorum brevis. Then on the side, you have this mga abductor. So you have your abductor hallucis, abductor digiti minimi. Okay, then further towards the center of the foot, we can say most medial kanisha, the big toe, you have your flexor hallucis brevis. On the other side, you have here your flexor digiti minimi brevis. Then these are now your lumbricals. Lumbricals. First, second, third, fourth lumbricals. Okay? Here. Okay, next. Retinaculum. So on the dorsal side, dorsum, you can now see how you have two here. The extensor retinaculum. One, there is only one. It's a Y-shape. So this would now be your superior extensor retinaculum. And the other one is found below, Y-shape, inferior extensor retinaculum. Then behind the medial malleolus there, so you have your flexor retinaculum. Clue, basta naging flexor digitorum, flexor hallucis, so flexor, yun na siya. Okay. Then the lateral side, peroneal muscle na siya, peroneus, so peroneus na siya. So one that is found above, superior peroneal retinaculum. Below, superior or inferior peroneal retinaculum. Okay, here. Our next, artery. Nerve pa there, nerve. So this one, behind the leg, so you have your tibial nerve. Okay, artery. So here, from here until here, it's still your popliteal artery. So from there, if we're going to look at it, it will now bifurcate into two. Kita man ni, madong ni siya sa anterior. You can see that one. So that would now be your anterior tibial artery. And this one behind the leg would be your posterior tibial artery. Yeah, one branch here going towards the lateral, that would be your peroneal artery. Okay, clear?